Hi everyone, so welcome back. We are again working on the truck today, so we've got some serviceable items, we've got raptor paint again, so we've broke that back out. We said we're going to do the sides, so we're going to try and do the sides. There's some holes, there's some rust, there's some things that is going to be interesting to try and mask. But temporary measure, so don't judge me, please. Holes will be getting filled. Just go with it, all right? I've got some new blades for the wipers, so they need to go on. New oil, new filter, new spark plugs. Like I say, we're going to try and do as much as we can on the sides and the back. The back bit's got a stripe as well, so we're going to do that, and then we'll get on to the dirty jobs by trying to do all this stuff, which is going to be interesting anyway. So yeah, I'll see you then. Right, so we have, as you can see, taped, somewhat primed. We haven't really, we just went over it. It started raining, which I mean is not ideal. This is why working outside is not great, but we've got the tape on, we've got the plastic sheeting around. I forgot to do that wheel, which I'm going to have to do, but we're going to try and get it as white as we possibly can, and then start with the... Oh my god! I'm getting attacked. Yeah, we're gonna attack it with this. Hopefully not be attacked anymore in the process. Gonna do this a little bit more. Then it's drying really quickly, but we'll see what the Raptor does when it goes on. So I don't think we're that far away from Raptor paint, which should be nice. I done well with the leaving that side, didn't I? It's coming out a bit worse than the other one. Like, I don't know whether it's because of this on the fucking front. Where's that knife? As knife handling etiquette goes, this is not how to do it. That's better. It looks good. I think it does look good. Right, we've came to an end of day one. So what we've done is one side, the back, put some wiper blades, the wiper arms back on. They now work. I've done Spark plugs really started a lot quicker and a lot better, so that was happy days. Seems like it's running a bit smoother. We've got oil still to do, oil filter still to do, and this whole side left to do, because it started absolutely lashing it down, so we couldn't get that dried enough to be able to turn the truck around to do this in the time that we have. So we're going to have to come back to do that side. So we do have a little bit of a mismatchy at the moment, which is not ideal. However, I think this looks absolutely awesome. Like, the difference is absolutely night and day for me. The door doesn't look a different colour anymore. Ignore that. Just ignore that, because that's absolutely shocking. Like, really bad. I don't know what I did there. But this was the rusty bodge hole. So we had a rusty bodge hole here. That looks so much better. So if you judged, then nah. But yeah, so what the other exciting bit is, it's uncovered a Chevrolet. We had a silver trim on there originally. Yes, there's holes in it. Yes, fine, whatever. But an embossed Chevrolet on there. How cool does that look? And it doesn't, like, it's not, ignore again. But that looks awesome. And it was obviously rusty as out. Raptor sort of hidden the pitting, so I think we've won. Hello and welcome back. We are at a new day. As you can see, the white has dried. Looks pretty cool. We're going to try and do something about these holes, because I like this embossed Chevy logo a little bit better than the metal trim. I think it looks really cool, quite rustic. That side's done to a point. There's a little bit that we need to touch up on that side, but we're going to do this side today. And yeah, so we've managed to find some more rusty bog holes, which, yeah, again, judgy. You can do whatever you like, but we're filling it with filler, just for time and just to sort of make good of it now. So rusty bog hole number one. This one shouldn't actually be a hole, I don't think. I think this should probably just surface stuff, but we've took this trim off because trees were growing underneath it. This one, I feel like when we get to that, we are gonna find the same issues we had on the back quarter last time, where as soon as we start grinding it's just going to come off in a hole. So we're going to do that. We'll get started with that, start a bit of grinding, get some filler done, get the Raptor down, get some primer down, get the Raptor down, see what it looks like all done in white. Personally, I think it looks awesome. Feel free to comment, agree, disagree, and we'll see where we go from there. So we have started grinding, started filling, but we've already done grinding, all that sort of stuff. So this is what it looks like currently, and with the power of YouTube, this shall be done right now. There you go. So primered, taped, and etc. So next we are going to do the Raptor. So yeah, last time we'll see it like this. Right, so that is the end. That's it, we're done. So we've managed to wrap up in this, we've put this back on because I just think it finishes it off. We've had to stick these bits of trims back on. That one's not sticking very well. That one's went on. Got the sides. I'm going to do some shots of before and after. I'll get some photos of this at some point. Potentially tomorrow or Saturday or whatever, but we've dropped the oil, we've changed spark plugs, done the Raptor on the sides white. What else we done? We bandaged the holes underneath. I still haven't put the registration plate back on. That god-awful fiberglass stuff and the absolutely ridiculous cable tie thingies that I couldn't work out. But yes, so that's all done. If you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe, comment. Please engage with the channel. It does help a lot, just for future videos and things like that. So yeah, thank you very much. See you soon.